Mangione is scheduled to return to New York State Court on December 1st, 2025 for pre-trial hearings. The federal case, which could potentially lead to the death penalty, is still moving forward. Mangione's legal team had pushed to have the state case drop entirely, arguing that facing both state and federal trials for the same December 2024 United Healthcare CEO killing amounts to double jeopardy. That argument was rejected by the New York judge, but the double jeopardy fight is still a key part of Mangione's defense strategy. What are the conviction odds? It's still too early to predict a conviction given the number of unresolved legal arguments, defense motions, and competing jurisdiction. The key issue of how the state and federal cases will interact is still in flux. The fact that terrorism charges were dismissed may reduce the maximum penalty under state law, but second-degree murder in New York still carries serious prison time. Fed and New York prosecutions are separate. That means Mangione could potentially be tried and sentenced by both governments for the same act, thanks to the dual sovereignty doctrine. This is not considered double jeopardy under current U.S. law. Why the Free Luigi movement took off. Symbolic targeting. Mangione allegedly targeted the CEO of a large medical insurance company, which many Americans already believed their benefits don't mean anything, that they are constantly denied coverage that they pay into. That makes the act a symbol for deeper frustrations. The manifesto's framing, his writings referenced insurance denial rates, health policy, and economic inequality, given his act a supposed ideological justification. That spawned debate about whether this was terrorism or protest. It also helps that this is a good-looking young man with the best education privilege. This is a man that had every opportunity in the world. He was not from a working class family, and it felt a little bit like he was working for the little guy, kind of like a Robin Hood kind of metaphor, if you will. That leads to internet aesthetics plus fascination. He's become a meme, a case study in hot offender fandom, the optics, Ivy League education, vanish into manhood, capture with style from a McDonald's worker in Pennsylvania, no less. It really feeds into online subcultures, class and healthcare anger. The border anger at corporate politicians and healthcare profiteering means Mangione is often discussed less as an individual criminal and more as a flashpoint in a bigger crisis.